No, what? Oh, don't push. Don't push. Even a millimeter. Seriously?
I'll hold your head. No. What
Come
is
in.
this? Did you go this far? It's our first shoot here. How much did you spend here?
Corporate card?
Oh, corporate card. Just use it then. Why?
You have no sense of time. What time is it now? I think I already won. Today's challenge is without a clock.
Yes.
Who can measure 30 seconds more accurately?
Alright.
The loser can't appear for 6 months. No appearances for 6 months.
This time you gave me a hint in advance. I practiced fairly knowing we'd play this game.
I've never been unfair, not even once.
Viewers might disagree, but go on.
Anyway, today is what matters. No complaints about today, right?
I'm worried because the humanities versus science video did well. But what if you can't appear on Geekball? Replace you with Minbeck.
Know what?
Pretending.
It's called pendulum motion, pendulum motion.
I know. If you lift, it only goes this far.
No pendulum motion? Then you must understand mass, string length, and angular velocity.
Distance is time multiplied by speed.
Oh.
Saw on YouTube. A comment said you'd lose a tooth if you mess up.
It's really safe. I'll show you, so try it.
Okay, Gokwe, do you trust yourself?
I don't trust myself. I only trust science.
Alright then, let's go. Don't back out now, okay? We can do this. Viewers don't force either.
If I do it, Jungtae will too.
Just try it, I'm curious.
Nemo.
Yes.
Can we?
Yes, it's done.
Namo, how do you know? Are you a scientist?
Oh, that's just common sense.
I'm wearing a helmet just in case.
Such a scaredy cat.
No, what? Oh, don't push. Don't push. Even a millimeter. Seriously?
I'll hold your head.
Wind, wind.
Scary, I want to try.
Hold tight or you'll run.
Over there? Go there? I'll do it. I believe in myself.
Feel the wind. The wind.
But what's the relation with time?
I'll explain right here, but no imitating.
I've never copied. What did I say?
Homage.
Oh god. I'll go get a chalkboard.
A chalkboard.
There's a chalkboard. Jante.
Yes.
No F equals MA.
F equals MA.
With this, you find pendulum period. If I prove it, viewers will back out.
Don't know, right?
No, I know it well.
No, don't back out.
It's acceleration. Pendulum motion is rotation. Simply, its period is 2 pi square root L over G. Actually, since pi and G are already known values, you just need to measure L. What's L? The length of the string.
How are you going to measure that? Applause for your effort, Gokwe. Okay, how far?
Measure to where the string ends. How much?
It's about 3.42 meters now.
0.42 meters.
Yes.
I'll calculate. Calculator needed for accuracy.
Are you nervous? First time seeing this.
Of course, a science major uses a calculator. Let's go with 3.71. It's 3.71, that's the period, right?
Where to where?
It's one cycle when it goes and comes back to the start. I'll drop the tape measure.
This'll be fun.
Measure 3.71 seconds. There's the clock.
If it shows 3.71 seconds, I'm impressed.
I'll try from chin height like before.
3, 2, 1. Start! 3.68.
Almost right, isn't it? No doubt. Curious about changing height?
Different start time.
Right.
Try it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, start.
Whoa, did you see that? This is science. Oh, shoot! It's 3.70. Did you see?
Match 30 seconds.
What's 30 divided by 3.7?
About 9 point something.
9 point something.
Okay, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors. Loser goes first.
Okay, sounds good.
1 round.
I'll win
If
anyway.
you don't play, you lose. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah!
Ah, damn. I have 2 methods. One's more accurate. Which do you want?
The most accurate.
This is thrilling?
Ready now.
I'm ready. I grew up with a lot of music at home.
Metronome.
Yeah, we had dozens of metronomes at home. Growing up with them, you become a human metronome. It just worked,
That's nonsense.
but it's ingrained in me. So, when I sing, I really keep the beat well. It's perfect timing. So I sing the part of my favorite song up to 30 seconds and stop. Exactly 30 seconds.
That's ridiculous. Biological clocks vary for everyone. It's not absolute time. So what I'm saying is, if you're really nervous, you'll sing the same song faster. Head over your phone.
Handing it.
Okay.
Handing it over.
Electronic device check.
No, just take it.
Okay.
Ready for my song. I'll sing. First time singing publicly? I'm nervous. This okay?
It's embarrassing, but it's a contest.
I debated between Thorn by Buzz and Proposal from Noel. Thorn might cause a stir.
What stir?
I might get invited to Knowing Bros. I'm sorry.
So embarrassing.
Here we go.
Yes.
Too young to realize I showed a bunch of flowers and held your hand. Should've gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing.
Are you crazy?
I'm disappointed.
Is it really under a second?
First time under 30.
I'm nervous, but you hit it.
I told you, human metronome. Okay, I'm at 29.16 seconds. Write the winning range here.
From T9.16 to 30.84. Between I win.
Yes. But don't change the string or ball weight.
What will change?
New string.
Oh dear.
Mr. Namo, it doesn't matter, right? He keeps on.
Why this way?
Annoying. Really, making people suffer for no reason.
This
String
is...
length.
Shorten it.
Mr. Namo, you handle it?
Mr. Namo, you do it.
How much?
2 meters. 67.
2 meters 67. Calculation is done.
Yes,
The result is 3.28.
3.28.
Yes. If you divide 30 by 3.28,
Yes.
it's 9.15.
I really...
I can...
Anyway, go ahead.
If it wobbles, there will be errors. Exactly. From the center, when pulled tight. I trust you, bowling ball. Ready. Ready, set, go! Once, it's wobbling, it's swaying. Oh no. Think twice. I placed it wrong. 3 times. 4 times. The trajectory isn't clean. 5 times.
Talkative.
6 times. Okay. 7 times. 8 times. 9 times. 15%.
Wow. I'm nervous, honestly. If you had hit the 29.16 to 30.84 seconds, you would have won. But you went over 30.84 seconds?
So I won.
0.6. 0.6. Is it more?
I'm feeling bittersweet. Sorry. I ended up winning.
0.6.
Wow, how did I do it? I'm so proud.
time it with lyrics. Totally luck-based game.
Luck. No way. I practiced hard.
No appearances.
Oh, what do we do? Edit the videos. Just film and plan.
Will the viewers like it?
No, but there's no choice. They like keeping promise. I'm unsure. I don't know.
Good job.
Ah, really?
Are you okay?
Does it make sense?
Yeah, it was a bit absurd. What about the bet?
The appearance ban, I just won't show up. I won't show up. Equal channel.